This is how I fixed editing with left joystick not working after the new update on Fortnite. So the first step is going to be for us to go into settings right here, as you can see. And now on settings, we're going to scroll until you can see controller mapping right here, as you can see. And now in here, we need to firstly go into building right here and make sure that the switch mode right here, that it is set to L3. So you need to click on it and then set it to L3 right here and click on confirm. And now what you need to do after that is to go into edit right here. And now on edit, you're going to make sure that the edit building right here, that is actually unbind right here, as you can see. So now when you have done so, the other thing is going to be for us to make sure that the sprint auto run right here, that you need to unbind this one as well, just so you know. And now you need to go back into building, so the switch mode, make sure that this one is unbinded as well. Now this last step, go back into edit, then you're going to go into edit building, click on this one, and then click on the L3 button right here. And don't forget to click on apply by clicking on the triangle button, but you can also see the exact button you need to click on right here. And basically that is exactly how I fixed it.